What's up, it's QueenSit. Hey, I got some exciting news today. I am getting ready to go into Gateway Harley-Davidson, and I am going to take these boxes. In these boxes, I have a stage 2 upgrade for my engine, and I got a stereo upgrade. So you know it's about to go down. I got my little sister out here. She brought me up here because I couldn't fit all these boxes on my bike. But shout out to her. And look, we getting ready to take it in. This is day 1. Tomorrow, I'm actually going to put this up on my bike, and I'm going to let you know how it goes. It's going down. It's QueenSit. Let's go.
And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
All right, before we start this video, I want to give an update. I got my TV on the wall. Got the color lights behind it. Hey, Siri, turn my lights blue. And just like that. Hey, Siri, turn my lights purple. So that's simple. So I love this whole setup. She actually changes all the lights in the house. Thanks, Siri. Okay, so boom. The only thing I have to do now is hide those 2 wires, 3 wires right there. So you know I got my little setup going. I'm loving it. It's QueenSit. We getting ready to start this video. Let's go, baby. Hey, I just dropped my boxes off. Tomorrow my bike will be over here getting worked on. We got the workers in here. Shout out to all the Harley workers that's going down. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all. Good morning. I am headed to Gateway Harley-Davidson now. Take my bike up there to get my upgrades put in. Let's go. Alright, hey, I'm super excited, but I am so tired today. I don't know why. I'm exhausted. And I went to bed early. Maybe at like 12:30. That's pretty early. It's 9:21 a.m. and my appointment is at 10, so I'm doing pretty good though. All right, so I have another giveaway going on. So right now, if you purchase a QueenSit shirt, they just dropped for the first time ever with the link in the description. If you purchase a QueenSit shirt like the one I'm wearing or the black one or the white one, you are automatically entered into a giveaway to win a free Harley-Davidson new rider course. This is your chance to take the class for free to learn how to ride a motorcycle. You can give this class to somebody. So if you already know how to ride, say you purchase the shirt and you win, you can give it to a friend, a daughter, a cousin, whoever's been wanting to ride. This is the time now. Make sure you check the link in the description. Purchase a shirt. If you buy 2 shirts, that's 2 entries. If you get 3 shirts, that's 3 entries into the giveaway. I'm going to pick 5 people on Wednesday, and they're going to win a new rider course from Harley-Davidson. It's QueenSit. Let's go. Hey, it's QueenSit. I'm behind the scenes, getting ready to do the stage 2 upgrade. We got it all laid out right here, and we also got the upgraded speakers. So I'm gonna let the mechanic tell you everything when it's time.
What's up? This is Big Mike. Today for Erica, we're gonna be doing the stage 2 torque kit for the Milwaukee 8. It consists of the 447 cam from Harley-Davidson, adjustable push rods, and then all the little pieces to do it: gaskets, retention kit, spacers, and we'll do a little walkthrough. We'll pull the exhaust off, and then we'll cut out the push rods, install the cams, and put the right map in it. Be ready to rock and roll.
And why do people get stage 2 upgrades?
So from the factory, these motors are a little, they don't have as much kick in the butt as they possibly could have. This cam will add bottom end torque and a little bit more horsepower.
Awesome.
So now we've got the exhaust off, we've got spark plugs pulled, we've got the motor in 6th gear, or that transmission in 6th gear. We're going to find base circle on the cam before we cut out the push rods. The way we do that is, for the front cylinder, as the intake comes up, it comes down. This will be rocking back and forth on overlap. This will be on front cylinder compression, which means we can cut the push rods out. There's no tension pushing the valves open on the front head. We'll then rotate it over a little bit more until the front intake push rod closes again, and this will be on the same position of rear cylinder compression stroke, and we can cut the push rods out of the back. Then we'll pull off the cam, and we'll see what's going on inside there. All right?
Oh.
So you can see this come up. I'll put a little dot in there. Watch it come up and down. Since it's hard to see, I'll put a little X. Can you see that?
Yep.
So as we rotate this, that's going to go up and come down. That means the front cylinder is ready to have the push rods cut out. Just like that. If you look at these back two, and we'll go back over again. Let's see. It's hard to tell, but they're moving the same way. Now that cylinder will be on up. Front cylinder compression.
Wow.
It just means that there's no pressure holding the valves open from the cam lobes pushing up on the push rods, that we can cut out the push rods there.
Nice. Cool. Behind the scenes.